show you how to fix invalid input problem without changing the SIM card. First, we have to go to Google Play Store and search for EX File Explorer. You can do as I am doing.
Can run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
Open the application and allow the permission. Tap on the three lines on the left top hand corner. Then tap on App Manager. Then search for the application named SIM Toolkit. Tap on the three dots of the right side of the application, then tap on Backup. Then go back to storage, open the folder App Backup and install the backup app.
Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again.
This is how we fix invalid input problem without changing SIM. Please like and subscribe.